Hi, we found a linear relationship between the two variables in the correlation analysis. What comes next?
Great! When a linear relationship exists, we can use linear regression to examine how the dependent variable y is influenced by the independent variable x.
So regression tells us more than just correlation.
Exactly. Linear regression is a statistical method where a line is fitted to the scatter of points showing the relationship between x and y.
And can we do this in SPSS?
Absolutely. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to perform linear regression in SPSS. Let's open the SPSS file correlation E. It contains data from 10 fictional individuals showing both biological and vascular age. In the previous video, we calculated the Pearson correlation coefficient, which was 0.766, indicating a moderate positive linear relationship. We can now use this relationship to fit a line through the points. To add the regression line to the scatter plot, double-click the chart to open the chart editor. Click the Add Fit Line at Total icon and the line is inserted. Close the editor and the updated scatter plot appears in the output window. We can also calculate the regression line numerically. Go to Analyze Regression Linear. Drag vascular age to the dependent variable and biological age to the independent variable field. Click OK and the result tables are generated. In the coefficients table, we can read the parameters of the regression line. In the first row labeled Constant, we find the estimated intercept, which is 14.031. In the second row corresponding to the independent variable biological age, we find the estimated slope, which is 0.777. This tells us that for each additional year of biological age, vascular age increases by 0.777 years. So the regression line is vascular age equals 14.031 plus 0.777 times biological age. This line can now be used to estimate vascular age from biological age. However, keep in mind that any estimate is only valid within the range of the data we have.
So performing a linear regression in SPSS wasn't too complicated.
Exactly. Just remember the steps. First, go to Analyze, then Regression, and choose Linear.
Then I select the dependent and independent variables, right?
Correct. And finally, if you want, you can plot the regression line directly in the scatter plot to visualize the relationship.
Perfect. That makes it much easier to interpret the results.
Right. Now try it with your own dataset and see the regression line in action.